In this tutorial, we will solve some exercises about burning fuels, which are mainly alkanes. Which gas reacts with a fuel in a combustion reaction? So which gas of these must be present for a combustion reaction to take place? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, or oxygen? Yes, you are correct. There must be oxygen gas for any combustion reaction to take place. What's the chemical formula of methane, which is the smallest alkane? Is it CH2, CH4, or CH6? Remember that the general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. So N in this case is equal to 1 because we have only one carbon atom. So which formula is correct? Excellent. CH4 is the correct formula of methane, which is the smallest alkane. Now, name the two products formed in the complete combustion of methane. What are the products of the complete combustion? So pay attention to the word complete, and this means that we have excess oxygen gas. What will be the products? So they are carbon dioxide and water. Any complete combustion reaction of any alkane will produce carbon dioxide and water. Name the toxic gas that is produced by incomplete combustion of hydrocarbon. So now we have incomplete combustion, and this means that there isn't sufficient oxygen gas. What is the toxic gas that will be produced? So it's carbon monoxide, CO. In incomplete combustion, carbon monoxide is produced. And finally, what's fitted in a car's exhaust system to remove this toxic gas, which is carbon monoxide? So what's the instrument that we can use to remove this toxic gas and actually to convert it from carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide? Excellent. A catalytic converter is fitted in a car's exhaust system to remove this toxic gas, which is carbon monoxide.